In this video, we're going to be talking about the difference between polynomial and non-polynomial functions graphically. A polynomial function is going to be continuous, which means it's not going to have any gaps or holes in it, and it's going to be either a straight line or it's going to have nice gradual curves and turns in it. A non-polynomial function would be a function that's not continuous, so it means it has holes or breaks in it, and it has sharp turns in it. So you could kind of say unofficially that a polynomial function is going to be a function where you could graph it by placing your pencil on the page and graphing that function without ever having to pick your pencil up and never having to make a sharp turn. Let's do a few examples to see if we understand that concept. If we take a look at our first graph, we have to decide, is this polynomial or a non-polynomial function? So as we look at it, we see that there are no holes and no gaps, and it's got nice gradual curves. So we see that it's continuous, and it has gradual turns. So this would be considered a polynomial function. Why don't you try the second graph on your own? Go ahead and push pause, and I'll wait. All right, so did you say that this was not a polynomial function? If that's what you said, you're correct, because we have a gap. This is not continuous. We have a hole. We couldn't just draw this with our pencil on the page. We'd have to pick it up. So this is considered not a polynomial function. Let's take a look at two more examples. Take a look at this next graph. What do you think? Polynomial function or non-polynomial function? If you said polynomial function, you're right, because we have a continuous graph with gradual turns. We've got that nice curviness to it. Let's take a look at our last graph. Is this a polynomial or a non-polynomial function? If you said not a polynomial, you're correct. Why? Because it has a sharp turn in it. That's not a gradual turn. So this is considered not a polynomial function. And that's how you can tell the difference in a polynomial function or non-polynomial function graphically.